In today's video, I'm going to explain to you how to add products to collections in Shopify. Now make sure you stick around for the whole video because I'm going to teach you everything you need to know, and if you skip early, you'll probably miss out on important information. So first of all, I'm going to show you, there's two different bits here. So first of all, we can go to products and then collections, and this is where we create the collection. So I can click create collection and I can call it what I want to call it. So let's say most popular. In here we can add a description. So we can add the description, so take a look at our most popular items, for example. Here we could add bold, we could change the heading type. You can add a video here. This is going to be on the top of the page, collection page. You can also do it as HTML, so if you want to embed things, whatever, you can do it like this. Now, you can add an image here on the right, so if you want to add this image, for example, this will be the like image that shows up for that collection, and then we can choose the collection type. So do we want it to be an automatic collection or a manual one? So a manual one basically means you add the products manually to yourself. Automated means that a product will automatically get added to the collection based upon a set of rules. So conditions: products must match all conditions, so it means they must match all of these or one of them. So let's put all. So we've got product title, product type, product category, product vendor, product tag, price, compare price, weight, inventory stock, variance title. So for example, if you had a product which was less than £10 and you had this collection as like the under £10 items, then this collection here, you would put it like this. This collection will include all products of at least one variant that matches price. So there, you could press save, and anything under £10 will be added to that collection. You can fiddle around with these, hit save. So that's going to be the automatic one. Now, nothing's going to be in here because I don't have any products that match that. What you could do instead is I'm going to create another collection, and I'm going to call this I'm just going to call it manual. This is how you would do a manual collection. Type in manual, go to manual here, hit save. Once you click save, it's going to give you this option here to browse. So I can add this item, the air conditioning air cooler, add it, and that's going to be added to this collection here. So now if I click view, you're going to see it's going to be on this, we're viewing the collection here, and we're going to be able to see this item in here. Now if I go back and I view the other collection, so this under $10 one, you're going to see that take a look at our most popular items is here because that is what we wrote here. Now another thing you can do is you can go into the products itself, click on it, and you can go to the right here and you can add it to whatever category you would like to, but you can also add it to the collection. So if you want to add it to manual, you can do so. Now the automated ones, you will not be able to add it to an automated one because they're automated, so that's something to keep in mind. One more thing that's pretty cool you can do is that you can create custom collection pages. Now in Shopify, all your collections pages are going to be the same, as in you're not going to be able to have different formatted ones for different collections. But if you use a page builder like Shopify, like Pagefly, you're going to be able to customize collection page individually. So if you want your discount collection to have a timer at the top, you can add that, and you can do it with Pagefly. But this is just how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it's helped. Plus, comment down below if you have any other videos you want me to make, or you have any questions, and I'll be sure to answer those. Thank you for watching.